So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review the Alto 800 sports model. So I have got it for around 200 bucks, but I would like to say that please don't pay more than 200 bucks only, because this is a quite small toy according to its height and breadth. So one thing you all will noticing the Alto logo and the 13 logo that I have only made, that's why it is modified sports model of the Alto 800. And at the front, if you will see, then you all can see the tinted headlights, and over here on the grill it's black and the Alto logo on the number plate. And this side vents, you all can see, this is more black and this is less black, nothing to do, my markers were finished. And over here the sports logo, and over here this part I have make it black. There are no wipers on this car. And on this side, if you will see, then here is the 13 logo, and I have made it the door handles also black. I have tried to make kind of a small lock, and this part also I have made it black, and the fuel cap is also black. And on the wheels also, on the center you all can see a star kind of design. It is in red color, and I have done kind of detailing like this which are not that much good, nothing to do. On the top, if you will see, then you can see the 13 and the sports. It quite looks nice. And at the rear you all can see the black tail lamps which are tilted, and the LXI logo which I have only made, and this thing the company gives, and the S logo, and this also I have done the straight line on it, and this also, and the Alto logo comes from the company, the sticker. Over here also this slide was in red, but I have tilted in black. And at the back you all can see the seats have got vanished because of the pull and push motor. Wait, I will show you. So it is quite fast for the its weight, because it is less in weight, that's why. And the motors is too fast for its weight. And then I would like to say one thing, that the doors do open like this, so they are 30 to 40 split, they look really nice. And the mirrors are in blue, which obviously the sports and all this logo would look in black, but they are in blue. The camera cannot justice. Oh no, sorry, the sports logos are in black and the Alto and the 13 logos are in blue. Yes. And at the down you all can see the Sentry Toys Alto scale model, and over here 200 written. And the pull and push motor is quite nice, but there is no exhaust, nothing to do, the company didn't give, as always Sentry Toys keeps doing it. So from this side I don't like it, but from this side it really looks hot, especially from this angle, really nice. The Alto is a hatchback, but this model, the sports model, looks really nice, which I have only made it. So it is a kind of modified model. So this was all for today's video. So guys, I will see you on the next video. So bye. Signing out.